Hey, shalom, shalom, saints. This is Pastor John. I'm over here at the restaurant, and we doing a taste test today. All right, let me show you what we taste test.
First of all, good afternoon. My name is Nasik Elikai. I am the eldest son of the establishment, Daisy's Vegan Catering Cafe. Everybody know my Abba Niftakia, and Imayonina, we call her Miss Daisy. That's the name that she was given, the European name. Today, I have a couple of things, that we would like to bring, for everybody's taste palates and taste buds. I have Backwoods, Louisiana, all vegan, herbal rice and corn, as you can see there. No meat. No meat preservatives.
No meat, brother?
No meat. No meat preservatives.
All right.
Now, if you'll come around here with the camera or whatnot, we have Alfredo. Somebody said, y'all can't make no Alfredo. I said, why we can't make no spaghetti Alfredo? Shut your mouth.
Oh, my goodness.
I'm going to make you bite the inside of your jaw.
Oh, my goodness.
We're going to make y'all bite the inside of your jaw. That's right. We're live here at Daisy's Vegan Catering Cafe. Two more things to show you all once again. My name is Nasik Elikai, and I got greens cooked by me, yams cooked by me. My brother, he is.
All right, here we go. Let me see what it tastes like.
Spaghetti Alfredo. We're gonna make you all slap somebody today.
Boy,
I hope y'all don't slap nobody.
Boy, I love Alfredo, man.
Brother Minister. Where you think you at right now? Are you in heaven? Are you at the Olive Garden, or are you at who's
This guy Olive Garden beat, man. God, look.
All praises be to the Holy One of creation, man. We're coming to you live from Daisy's Vegan Catering Cafe too. Y'all better look at the look at the minister. Look at him.
That's it.
That's correct.
All right.
And we're gonna put avocado with that. You follow what I'm saying or whatnot? We just want the people to come in and taste it. That particular, well, you're gonna have more chips than that, and some avocado and stuff like that to go with that. But go ahead and try that out and tell me what you think.
Let me try it out and see.
That's right, homemade.
Homemade.
Right here at the restaurant.
Let's see here.
Now don't run through the wall. But if you do, you'll catch it.
Here we go. Try it right now. Let me see.
Brother Minister said he about to try it right now. Y'all don't know what y'all messing with us, do y'all? Huh? Y'all don't know what y'all messing with, do y'all? Huh? What you say, Brother Minister?
This is it, brother.
Uh-huh.
This is it.
That's it?
This is it, man.
That's it? We're going to throw some ground protein on top of that and some cheese.
How about that ground protein?
Yeah. We got it all. We're going to throw the ground protein on top of there. And we're going to have avocado up under that salsa dip right there. See that? Our creation right there.
What we doing, Chef? What we doing?
You don't want to, don't you?
Yeah, that's gonna cure something. No cucumber? Yeah, push the red.
All cities fruits.
The passion fruit detox. Let's see what it do.
I gotta get mine.
Hey, now that can breathe. What's she making, brother? What's going on back here? What you making, sis?
A roast.
Sister's making a roast.
I'm showing her how to make a roast. I'm trying to show her how many various dishes you can get out of this particular roast.
Everybody remember what I put in there?
Yeah.
Salt, sea salt, olive oil, right?
Yeah.
And nutritional yeast base, right?
Yeah.
We got pickle relish. Okay.
Okay.
Y'all ready? From the pickle relish.
This brother just made fresh chips, brand new chips. This reminds me of tuna, but it's a tofu salad. But it reminds me of tuna. It is off the chain. Tahila, what you think?
Delicious.
Delicious, ain't it? Go ahead. Good. What we doing now?
We're doing a kale salad.
Kale salad?
Yeah. We're doing it. Y'all like mushrooms?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes.
We're doing a mushroom kale salad.
My mother used to make up containers of this stuff for my
These are
pot.
skins.
Yeah.
Skins like they make the pork rind skins. This is all vegan though, and it tastes just like off the chain, off the literal chain.
That's about $1.
Skins, all pork rind skins, but ain't not a drop of pork in it.
No meat.
No pork on our forks. Boy, somebody gonna tell us to repent. Say, boy, I know good well that's a pork rind. Hey, look how thin it is. And then it shrinks and gets fat. What you got there, Master Chef? What you got there?
Vegan skins.
Vegan skin. Look like a bunch of pork to me, man. Y'all over here cooking pig, man. The pig side.
Yeah, man. We had to strip the corona off the pig. So it's the only way we're gonna be able to heal black people.
You know, everybody else says stay inside. Well, we inside having fun. Let me hear somebody say yeah.
That's right. That's right.
Hey, let me hear somebody say yeah. Ain't y'all having fun? Y'all having fun, ain't y'all? Talking about some stay inside. We got things to do up in here. We ain't got. Look here, this is my video game. I don't know about the rest of y'all, but I'm making a natural kale salad or whatnot. You know, got my fresh onions and garlic inside, olive oil, things like that.
Man, it smells good too.
You know what I'm saying? You know, and to me, it's somewhat like washing hair when you're mixing it up. You know what I'm saying? Okay, you want your own share.
Yeah, make my
That
shit.
fryer is still on.
Is it on?
I gotta take out these things.
This is the HalleluYAH edible bowl. We got kale salad, we got avocado, we got protein, and we got tofu salad all mixed in to this edible bowl. Everything is edible that you see. So I'm gonna dig in and see what it's like. Let me get a phone to Tahila. Let's see what it do. Let's see what it do.
Oh, let me let you go, Tsooriel. Let me let you go. Oh, this is apron. Now, my kale salad go. You took my kale salad away from me, Lord.
That's what it is.
That's what it is.
So this is the new raw.
This is it.
The new raw.
I eat the raw just like this. Out of the bowl. We gotta make the
That's the new
bowl.
raw bowl.
But you can't eat the Why? It's not raw then. No, it's not raw.
He broke that into two.
You cannot you cannot eat
So
the
throw this away.
Oh.
You waste some food
Oh, okay,
now.
I get it. The bowl is fried, huh? So it ain't raw no more.